what is design thinking and what we're going to do through the exercise that will follow the 15 minutes. There will be a workshop after the 15 minutes end, and the workshop we will split you, as you know, into 5 groups, and each group will work together on designing a solution to the problem that we will define at the end of my presentation. It allows groups of people to innovate and design a solution that maybe in the past we thought only geniuses can do. Successful innovation supposedly addresses those 3 challenges, technology, business viability, and human values. So everybody and anybody, even if he doesn't specialize in that area, can be involved in the solution design. And it is not a narrow equation of a specialty. Somebody who knows how to fix or design a computer is not the only person who can actually design a computer. Okay? And it's not a brainstorming session. So benefits, it complements other problem-solving techniques. It helps organizations to become more innovative, solve human problems, increase customer satisfaction, gain competitive advantage. Actually, we are let us create a device or a system to help us solve this health fitness problem I've had in the office. Design thinking. It is 5 steps, and you can't. The first piece is what we call empathize. Empathize is literally understanding the need of your customer or of the target or the community. Define. You define the problem. You define the point of view of that customer. Then you ideate. You take those definitions, you write down what it is, and you have a brainstorm. That's a brainstorming session. You sit down and people come up with ideas. We do not judge anyone. The stupidest of ideas are very welcome. The outrageous ideas are very welcome. Somebody was just sending me a message today saying, can we store our data in outer space so that it's safer? Yeah, great idea. I don't know how, but yeah, why not? I don't know. And then you prototype. You prototype your idea. You agree on one idea, you prototype it, and from there you test it, and if it doesn't work, you go back to prototype it again. So you're going to try to interview 4 to 5 people and try to be synchronized. Lila will shout, move to the next one, so you can actually move in synchronized fashion. Try to get from your interviewees the 3 things at the bottom. Who is your user? Well, we know probably who they are because they're all here in the company. Or maybe you need to know which department or what they do, anything you like. Ask about the needs, things they are trying to do. Related to the problem that we're going to tell you at the end. Try to get insights for your solution. So we call these verbs and we call these nouns, but insights, they mean that we're going to guide you through the process, by the way. We're going to put signs saying exactly what you should do. Everyone. Corners is group A, B, C, D, and I don't know where E is.
B is here.
Over there. And you're going to stick all your observations and the notes you've taken as a group, and then you're going to agree on one point of view, i.e., this is the real problem, this is what I need to solve. We'll keep moving faster now. So the point of view is the definition of what you have discovered from your interviews. And then you can stick all the ideas up there, and then you will brainstorm the ideas together in the next session.
Okay.
right now, this session, which was scheduled to be 10 minutes, but we are a little bit late already. We took about 3 minutes from the 10 minutes.
Okay.
So write down as many ideas as you want. They can be as brief or as elaborate as you like. And then once we finish this session, you're going to go to the whiteboard and stick all your ideas on the board and discuss them and see if you can combine some of them or choose one of them as your solution, because you're going to prototype it after. Idea that you came up with and you prototype it. So we're going to do a silly game when you prototype, because we don't really have all the equipment to prototype. So we're going to give you scissors and bits and pieces to come up with something that's at least visible and feasible. From there, you're supposed to go to test, but we're not going to go to test. We're going to go to presentations. Each team will present 5 and maybe
2 weeks. Into this platform about your age, weight,
water consumed, activity, target BMI, and research area. This app can also have HR activity. This app is
to recommend or counsel you for your health needs. So that's where it all begins. So you're capturing the problem of the person as an individual and not making a generic diet or workout plan for that person. So that's where it all begins.
One is the desktop panel. So while you're working on your seat and you're really like, oh my God, I just want to get up and go, but there's a lot of work pressure, you paddle.
Experience. So you are also me invention. I am fit. So with a company control.